To transfer money from EasyPesa without using the app, you will need to use the USSD code service provided by EasyPesa. This service allows users to access their EasyPesa account and perform various transactions, including money transfers, using a simple code. First, open the dialer on your mobile phone and type the EasyPesa USSD code, which is 3737. After typing the code, press the call button to initiate the service. You will then see a menu with various options, including money transfer, bill payment, and balance inquiry. To transfer money, select the money transfer option by typing the corresponding number and pressing the send button. You will then be asked to enter the recipient's EasyPesa account number or mobile number, followed by the amount you want to transfer. After entering the recipient's details and the amount, you will be prompted to enter your EasyPesa PIN to confirm the transaction. Once you have entered your PIN, press the send button to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message from EasyPesa once the transaction is successful. It is essential to ensure that you have sufficient balance in your EasyPesa account before initiating a money transfer. Also, make sure to enter the correct recipient details and amount to avoid any errors or disputes. In addition to money transfer, the EasyPesa USSD code service also allows users to check their account balance, pay bills, and perform other transactions. To check your account balance, select the balance inquiry option from the menu and follow the prompts. By following these steps, you can easily transfer money from EasyPesa without using the app, making it a convenient option for users who do not have access to the app or prefer to use the USSD code service.